Welcome back, Junior Drawers. My name's Tom, and today we're drawing a robot floating through space. Now the first step is to draw an upside down letter U or a nice hill shape. Now this is going to be our robot's head. There we go. Now once we've got this hill shape, we can then draw a straight line going across the bottom. Okay. And this is going to be our robot's head. Now if we were going to draw our robot's body, what shape could we use? A square. That's an excellent idea. So let's draw a nice square for our robot's body. Okay. Now that we've got our robot's head and our robot's body, how do we turn the top shape into a robot face with some eyes? Now what's a good shape for robot eyes? Circles. Well done. So let's draw two big circles for our robot's eyes. Now that we've got two big circles, we need two smaller circles on the inside. There we go. Now do you remember what we need to do with the smaller circles? We need to color them in. Well done. So let's do our best coloring and we'll color these small circles. There we go. And our robot's eyes are looking good. Now the next step is to draw in our robot's mouth. Now what sort of mouth should we give this robot today? A happy one. That's a great idea. So let's draw a smile for our robot. There we go. Now that our robot has a mouth, the next step is eyebrows. Now he has a nice happy smile, so we're going to give him some happy eyebrows to match. Here we go. And now our robot's face is complete. The next step, we need to draw an antenna on top to make him look more like a robot. Now his antenna is really easy. It's just a nice zigzag line with a circle on top. Okay. Now our robot's head is complete. It's time to draw in the rest of his body. Now our robot's arms today are going to be really easy as well. We're just going to draw two snowman arms. We'll draw the first snowman arm going down. And then his other snowman arm going up. There we go. And now our robot has some arms, we need to draw in his legs. And his legs today are just going to be the letter L's. We're going to draw one letter L, going this way. And then we'll draw a silly backwards letter L going the other way. There we go. Now, if you wanted to, you could also give your robot some shoes. And to do that, we're just going to draw little hills at the tops of his feet. 1, 2. And now your robot has some shoes. All that's left to do is to draw a nice computer screen on the front of his body. And now if we were going to draw a computer screen, what's a good shape to use? A square. That's a great idea. So let's draw another square on the front of his body. There we go. Now that we've got our computer screen, we're going to draw a zigzag to make it look like our robot's heartbeat. So let's start on this side and we'll draw a nice zigzag going across. There we go. And our robot is complete. Now the next step is to draw a nice background for this robot. Now do you remember where I said we were drawing this robot? In space. Well done. Now to draw our space background, we need two things. We need planets and we need stars. Now if we were going to draw a planet, what's a good shape we could use? A circle. Well done. So let's draw a nice circle planet over here. There we go. Now that we've got a nice circle for our planet, how do we make it look more like a planet? We need a ring around it. Now to draw a ring, it's a little bit like a letter C on the side. There we go. And we've got our first planet on our page. Now for our next planet, how about we use something different, a different shape, something a little bit more fun? What about a love heart shaped planet? Let's draw a nice love heart shape for our next planet. There we go. And now how do we make this love heart look more like a planet? With a ring around it. Well done. So let's draw a nice ring around this love heart. There we go. And we've got our planets on our page. Now the next step, our stars. Now to draw stars, we just need lots of little tiny circles. So let's draw our tiny, tiny circles all over our page. There we go. Now the only thing left to do is to pick our two favorites and make them shine extra bright. So let's pick 2 stars and draw 4 long straight lines. And then 4 short straight lines. There we go. And that's going to make it look like our star is shining extra bright. Now we just need to do that to 1 more star. So remember, 4 long straight lines. And then 4 short straight lines. There we go. And we've got our robot floating through space. Now your drawing challenge today is to give this robot a friend. So have a think about it, get drawing, and I'll see you next time.